Luxury begins far from the factory.
Only healthy fiber moves forward.
Preparation defines precision.
Fiber is harvested, not forced.
This is the raw luxury.
Quality is selected early.
Purity matters. Traceability begins here. The journey starts.
Protection starts before the road.
Handling preserves softness. Fiber demands balance.
Every bundle is tracked.
The fiber enters the system.
Transformation moves inside. Where raw fiber meets precision. Cleanliness defines quality. Every gram matters.
Experience still leads. Science protects luxury.
Only the best proceeds. Softness restored.
Preparation is key.
Purity begins now.
Cleaning begins at the core.
Motion replaces force. Impurities fall away.
Clarity returns.
Balance is maintained.
Precision protects texture.
Nothing remains but fiber. Transition begins.
Dry, not stressed.
Ready for transformation.
Structure begins to form. Order replaces chaos. Each strand freed.
Strength through balance. Human judgment remains vital. Refinement defines luxury.
Nothing unwanted survives. Soft, yet strong.
Consistency is controlled.
The real change begins.
Form becomes function. Strength is gently built.
Set to last.
Warmth takes shape.
Comfort revealed. Transformation complete. Automation takes control. Accuracy without hesitation.
Every inch measured.
Nothing escapes notice.
Perfection refined.
Stability preserved. No time wasted.
History stays attached. Flow uninterrupted.
Final touches await.
Comfort is carefully unlocked.
Balance is engineered. Fit is secured.
Precision begins with placement.
Nothing is wasted.
Details protect durability.
Order prepares assembly.
Fabric becomes clothing. Every piece is judged.
Eyes trained by decades.
Warmth is measured. Comfort must breathe. Standards never bend. Presentation perfected.
Only excellence passes. The journey nears completion.
reporter defines the final step.
Care continues to the end.
Pride allows no shortcuts.
Ready for the world.
Awaiting their destination.
The final handoff begins.
Craft leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury llama wool winter clothing from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.